पणजे सिटीचो राउंड मारूया. सांतिनेज रस्तो, बाल गणेश कांपाल, ESG, DB रोड, 18 जून रोड पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन आनी आदल्या सचिवालया कडेन वता थंय रस्ते फोडल्यात आनी डायवर्ट करून सोडल्यात. पणजे सध्या घे म्हणू कार्यावळी आनी उत्सव, इफ्फी, एक्झिबिशनां आनी कितलेशेच इव्हेंट. तातूंत इफ्फीचे डेलिगेट, टुरिस्ट आनी गोंया भायल्यान इफ्फी आनी फिल्मां पळोवंक गर्दी करपी लोक. पणजेकार स्मार्ट सिटीचे डंब कारबाराक अक्षरशः विटला.
As citizen of Panjim, I see you have made a mess of our life, complete chaos. The smart city you have turned into a complete chaos of sewage repair city, and now later on Samadhi city. So you want to put us all in the Samadhi right when we are alive? Do not do that. Please look into this aspect. Put more traffic constables. Diversion of traffic should be properly studied, because if he is starting today, and then there is Novenas to Old Goa, tourist casinos 24/7. There should be traffic police 24/7. सगळे बरोबर करता स्मार्ट सिटी काबार जाता म्हूण सारकें न्ही, टर्म काबार जाता म्हूण सगळे बरोबर उडोवंक सोदता. कितें करूंक सोदता पणजेकारांक आमकां सारकें रातचे फोंडान घालता. जिते आहा तेन्ना फोंडान घालनाका. तुमी कितें करा तें सारकें करा, प्लॅनिंग करा, ट्रॅफिक पुलीस डबल करा आनी कलेक्टराचे बसून ते टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचे बसून ते सारके ट्रॅफिक डायवर्शन करा.
Increased digging that has been taken place in the name of Imagine City or Smart City that is there, and everywhere then we have the tourist problem over here, who they from outside Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat who come, they enter the wrong lanes, they are not aware, the boards are not, you can just see behind over there, there's no board over there at all. The government or the state or the city should think about this. The signages and information going to the tourists or to the locals is very important. If I don't know which road is closed and which road is not closed, or which traffic signal is there, which is the one way, which is not the one way. Now there are a lot of diversions happening for EP that is there. And then now December is a month where there will be a lot of functions and all happening. We have the Old Goa Fest over there that will be happening. Serendipities will be happening. So a lot of crowds and all will be coming in over.
There is nothing smart in this much.
There is absolutely nothing smart. Everything is very unsmart over this place.
खंय सिवेजीची कामां घेतल्यात, कांय कडेन अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग, कांय कडेन असले बोर्ड मारून, कांय कडेन सांतिनेज नाल्यावेले साकव मोडून रस्ते बंद उडयल्यात. कामां गोगलगाईच्या नेटान एकदां उचतून घाल्ले पनरशीचेर पनरशी म्हयने गेले तरी पुरोवनूच जायना. ट्रॅफिक सेलान खंय ह्या मेसाची शिटकावणी दिल्ली, मात स्मार्ट सिटीवाल्यांक ताचें कोत ना. पणजेकारांक छप्पर फाडून कटकटी. प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.